Hello, everybody. This is Michael McDonald, and you're rocking with the fucking Bodega Boys. Desus, the human direct flare. Ooh, I keep forgetting that the opinions expressed ain't theirs. Ooh, Red Bull or Viacom, legal reasons, blah, blah, blah. Ooh.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Episode 9.
Oh my God.
BB9.avi. Filipino people. What
Download
up?
the shit, get a virus.
That's right. Get it off the line wire. It's your boy, Jesus Nice, a.k.a. Yo Chipotle, a.k.a. 1994 in Nueva York. And people ask me why I say that, and I'm like, I don't know. That's not English.
Yo, what's good, man? It's your boy Mero, a.k.a. Human Direct Lab, a.k.a. Dominican Don Dada, a.k.a. Swagadon Milosevic.
Hey.
You know what I'm saying?
Hey.
a.k.a. yes, I will open your medicine cabinet. I don't care.
Oh, early.
Oh,
Yes.
we're back.
Episode 9, the world's most dangerous and most inconsistent podcast, according to you people.
That's right.
Because apparently you people have paid money to get this podcast delivered at the same time every week.
I'm sorry that
and
we're
we
so
are failing you.
Yeah.
Sorry.
I'm sorry that we give you an hour of fire comedy every
Guess what?
so often for free.
This podcast isn't always on time, but it's always on time.
It's always there when you call.
Uh-huh.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to Ashanti. Okay.
What's Ashanti doing right now? Looking mad gorgeous.
She's
somewhere.
on Instagram looking fuego. Looking fuego. I don't want those problems though.
No.
Because where's her money coming from?
No.
She's always on vacation. Where's she taking a vacation from?
Yo, does she work for like Club Med or some
I
shit?
don't know.
Dog?
I think she might be doing Wake Up Now. She might be scamming. Ashanti out in Barney's busting stolen credit cards.
With tax. Scamming. Shout out to tax.
Be safe though.
Be
Shout out to Tax Stone Podcast. Shout out to all the loudspeakers over there. But we over
whole
here.
gang.
We're here at Red Bull Studios,
That's
New
right.
York.
220 West 18th Street.
Come through, visit. You know what I'm saying? We got some things to talk about this week. A lot
my
happened
God.
in the last week.
Oh my God.
Man, the GOAT retired.
Oh man.
Greatest of all time.
Yo, the Mamba.
The Mamba, the Black Mamba.
Yo, you know what's ill? He's so ill. He's such a dope. He dropped 80 points. He, you know what I'm saying? Son Jordan. I know y'all remember
Jordan.
when he
Son
blocked
Jordan,
Jordan
I remember
at the
that.
All-Star game. You know
Caught
what
the
I'm saying?
fade from Chris Childs.
But now, your man's just out here shooting 4 for 50
it's
from the
disgusting to
field,
watch.
just looking very out here.
What's more disappointing? The fact that he's missing shots or the fact that he retired using a poem? Like, I know his English teacher was mad hype, but nobody, listen,
Man,
I'm not trying to read
his
that.
sophomore high school, yeah, you know what I'm saying, was like, yo, he's
Yo.
doing it. I remember this.
I just imagine like the night before he's trying to count the syllables because he's trying to do like a haiku. He's like, what is it, 3, 5, 7? Kobe was like, yo, watch me use this iambic pentameter. Oh man, Kobe, you know, it's sad to watch. Kobe was a great player.
He was, man.
But you know,
He's
it's just a
show
reminder we cannot win the battle against our greatest enemy, getting washed.
Oh. You just gotta accept the washness when
Just
it comes,
take
my
it,
nigga.
man.
You know what I'm saying? Because like, a lot of niggas, a lot of y'all out
Don't
there
fight
just
the
like,
wash.
don't fight the wash.
The
man.
wash is like a riptide.
It is.
Listen,
It just comes in.
You just go limp, pause,
Yeah.
and just don't fight it.
Hopefully, you'll be washed back ashore.
Hopefully,
You know what I'm saying?
You know, it's just washed out.
Yeah.
Speaking of other wash, you see, speaking of his washed brother, who also was once great and now is pretty crappy, Tiger
Oh,
Woods.
yeah. Dog, that's another motherfucker.
That's like, woo.
his fall from grace.
That was life comes at you fast.
Oh my
Man.
God. Yo, how you fucking mad bitches? First of all, you're mad rich. You look like a fucking Korean gopher. You're
True,
mad rich.
true. Kablasian.
Yeah, he's Kablasian. You know what I'm saying? And like,
Yo, his whole shit was perfect.
Yeah.
And then one night,
dog, you're married to
He
a Norse
jumped out the
goddess.
window.
Yeah, you're wildin', dog.
he was married to the most peak
Oh
alabaster.
my God, bitch, fucking peas green tea, nigga.
You know how many villages the fucking Vikings raided to make the DNA that
kidding me,
made
dog?
her?
Yo, come on.
Exquisite.
Damn.
She smells like a Pier 1. My
Oh,
God. Just,
my
oh, wow.
All her clothes from Anthropology.
And then she fucked up. He fucked up all their lives. Like she went from just being a pristine, beautiful white woman to busting out a car window with a golf club.
Fam.
Like
She turned Puerto Rican mad fast.
that shit. They were.
You're not gonna play me with all this bitches, nigga. Oh, yo, this fucking bitch. How you fucking this bitch from Applebee's?
I like how they went from like the Golf Channel to VH1 Monday nights
Mad
very
fast,
quickly.
mad fast.
She went from being white to Cardi B. Like
Forever.
forever.
Shout out to Cardi B. Son.
Cardi B
You know
out
what I'm
here.
saying?
Cardi B from the Bronx.
Yes.
BX all day.
That's right. Out
Stand
here.
up. Queen Cardi.
That's right.
You show her respect when she comes through. All right? And just because she shows her titties for a living, you still got to respect her.
She's fucking said so many philosophical things.
She did. She said cold. She said hoes don't get cold.
Hoes never get cold.
All right? Think about that. The levels of that.
And she's not fucking rappers because rappers don't really got money. Scammers got money. What's poppin'?
Let's pop it.
So how to talk.
I love you, Cardi. Even
right.
if you never get your teeth fixed.
Yo, you and her, my nigga, would be a strong power
That
couple.
would be a strong Bronx couple, right?
Oof, man, that's like J-Lo and Diddy all over again.
It would. But I'll tell you this: I definitely would put hands on her by like the second day. I'm just keeping it. I'm keeping it $150. I'm keeping it above East 180th real.
That's right. That's right.
All right.
Niggas don't know about that uptown shit.
But yeah, Cardi come through.
Yeah.
Cardi
Show.
B and the Bodega Boys.
That's right. We all Viacom gang. You know what I'm saying? We out
Right,
here.
not only that, like we all live in the same building.
That's
so
right.
like, let's just stop the bullshit.
Yeah.
It's me, Mero, Cardi B,
Yep.
Loopy,
Yep.
French in the basement.
In the basement. He's the super.
J-Lo drive by. The key, what was it?
The Fiat.
Yikes!
Yo.
Oh man.
Oh my God.
Oh man.
I was gonna say, yo, Fiat stands for fucking I'm out of here, but that's not
Close enough.
close enough.
Close
Good
enough.
enough.
Do we need facts?
No facts don't matter.
Do we need facts? Facts don't matter. Black lives matter. Facts don't matter.
Facts don't.
That's the quote.
That's
Put
right.
down a T-shirt and sell it, and let me get a portion of it because I'm
Large
too lazy
percentage.
to do more merch myself.
Merch.
Merch.
Yo, merch is mad hard. Niggas think that shit is mad easy. Yo, make a t-shirt. It's not that easy.
Everything is easy to people. People were like, "Yo,
Yo, write a book.
Where's the podcast?"
where's
I'm
the
like,
podcast?
"Dog, we have to book time in the studio. Why don't y'all build your own studio?
Why haven't y'all had a movie yet?
What the fuck? Like,
You know what I'm
where am I building my own studio?"
Where's y'all rap album at?
For the last 2 years, I've survived on just Vienna sausages and Vienna
you
sausage
kidding me?
water.
Come on.
Now you think I got money for my own studio?
What? Yo, it takes time to transition from like being wild broke to being like just marginally broke,
Right.
which is where we at now.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like niggas was wild broke, like I'm eating this ketchup packet.
Like,
for
people,
dinner
I don't
broke.
think people realize like
Yeah.
how really. Do you remember like sometimes Mero had to swipe me in?
Yes.
When we were doing
Yes.
our other podcast for
That's
the other
true.
company.
That's true.
Like that's how broke we were.
Yes. And niggas
now
was
we're
over
here.
there running around the office taking whatever edible food was available.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
And now we up at Red Bull Studios snacking on boom chicka pop,
You know what I'm
sea
saying?
salt popcorn.
Oh my God. Pita chips, everything in here is organic.
Look at the rise.
Joe's headphones is organic.
Who had a better 2015 than us? I'm just throwing that out there. Fuck being humble. We out here.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm about to get my Michael Jordan. I'm about to start dressing in bootcut jeans.
Fuck that.
Fuck that.
With the Mary J. Blige boots, we
Get
out
a-
here.
the wild thick hoop earring. Let y'all know.
When Jesus comes in with the hoop earring with that's so heavy that the earlobes is dangling, you're like, oh man. You see him at the mall, you're like, oh cool, you got your ears gauged, bro? Nah, nigga, I'm just fucking blinging on you, man.
These are sold out. These ain't sold out. But you know what? I'm still gonna hit on a soft 19. It's gonna be the new Jordan. But instead of gambling,
God.
I'm just running numbers in the Bronx. Just not kind of Jordan, but not really Jordan.
Soft 16 is definitely a Jordan that's going to be released in the
That
future.
is.
You
That is.
already know.
This is coming out this weekend, and
You already
Nike's
know.
going to do a drawing for it, and it's going to sell in 30 seconds. And there's going to be mad people on Twitter like, yo,
Yep.
I got them in cart.
Yep.
Yeah, that's a sneakerhead reference. Y'all get that.
Shout out to
There's
y'all.
like 4 sneakerheads like, Jesus got it.
Yo, shout out to him.
Yo, Jesus kicks on fire.
Does it make sneaker people mad when like a dude who is not necessarily a sneakerhead but is just wild rich just gets all these sneakers like a dude
It's
like a
so
rapper?
annoying.
You know what I'm saying? Like a rapper's like, yo,
That's
I just
why-
got these Nike fucking 1 of 5
Sneakerheads,
on
like,
Instagram. Throwing them all
rappers
over.
can't, like, not for nothing, this might be, you know, a controversial hot take. You know, I like to do a
Jesus
hot
Fuego.
take. Jesus Fuego. The hottest takes, like Steph Curry. But if you're a rapper, you can't really be a sneakerhead. Because guess what? You didn't pay for your sneakers. If you get sneakers given to you, you're not a sneakerhead. You know what I'm saying? Get the fuck out of here. DJ Khaled got 30,000 sneakers. He's like, yo, I got the illest sneaker collection. Well, how hard is that? You didn't pay for them. Has DJ Khaled ever slept in front of a Foot Locker? Has he ever gotten up at 10 a.m. on a Saturday and press submit on Nike and then wait because it's like, wait, it's not in your cart yet? No, DJ Khaled hasn't. But yet, other organizations, I'm not going to name them, want to have videos of him licking shoes and renaming them. And like that shit is higher. Don't do that. Go
Yeah.
to Eddie Torres down on East Tremont, who got the Aqua 8s and had them for 2 months. I don't understand how he did it. That's a sneakerhead right
That's a
there.
sneaker. Shout out to Eddie.
All right, if you value sneakers more than like your relationships, if you
Right.
still live in your mother's house but you got the fire sneaker collection,
Yeah,
you a real
you're a
sneakerhead.
real sneakerhead, yeah.
You're a real
Shout
sneakerhead.
out to you.
If your girl tell you stop buying sneakers because the baby need formula, and
Yep.
you're like, fuck that.
Fuck that. I'm racking
Fuck
the
that.
formula. I'm buying the sneakers.
These retro OG ones come out on Cyber Monday. That baby be alright.
Why can't babies drink water?
Yo, it came with an extra pair of laces. Let her eat that. Just give them the little packet that comes with the sneakers. Chew on that, little nigga.
Or the Starbucks stealing back condiments.
Oh,
Just bring a
man.
wild jar of honey home.
Oh, what is the baby gonna eat? Here's some milk and here's some sugar.
Here's some tea bags.
Make it happen. Speaking of teabagging,
Oh, good segue.
Odell Beckham Jr. was apparently dating Trey Songz.
What? What?
I'm just going off what I saw on Instagram.
Fuck is this lipstick alley
This
Jesus
is
right now?
Lipstick Alley Jesus. We don't need facts. No, listen.
Yo,
Listen,
that's wild.
even though somebody was like, yo, y'all mad homophobic. We're not homophobic.
We're not homophobic.
I stand with Odell Beckham Jr. I want him to speak truth to his light beloved.
Like,
If
who
that's
cares?
my wide receiver.
Yeah.
And you know what?
Pause. Hey.
You know, if he wants to do sassy dances on the gram,
Why do people? Yo, you know what I'm saying? Listen, we're from New York City, dog. We see everything in the world. Like, gay
Yeah.
shit is not weird. It's
It's
not weird
not.
to see a gay
That's
dude.
normal.
You know what I'm saying? So it's like me, us being like, yo, his homie gay is just being like, yo, does he have a
Yo,
new haircut?
this
You know what I'm
is-
saying? It's like, whatever. Who cares?
you know what? And that's the thing. Like, I'm not upset.
Yeah.
You know, if that's him, then do that.
Yeah.
And you know what?
Rock.
If you want to be doing catwalk dances for the Vine
Shut
with
up.
other shirtless dudes,
Yo,
as
more
long
power
as you
to
make
you.
that catch on Sunday,
Fuck it.
It's good. It's lit.
Fam, you get me more than 15 points in my fantasy league, you could do whatever the fuck you want with
Do
your
whatever.
booty hole.
You do
know what I'm
whatever.
saying?
You can
Whatever
make
you
it,
want.
You can get pop and tweak. Do it.
For
Make
all
it
that.
blink at a
I don't
nigga.
care.
But
You can recreate the boy pussy video, fam. I do not care.
just make that shit
Just
queef. Like,
catch those fucking flares into the end zone, fam.
you want to what?
Pause.
In my
Remember that shit?
that shit.
Whoa, that's
Wow.
that's a throwback.
That's a throw. That's old school now.
Is that? I always thought that was like a joke. I always thought it was a parody, but apparently that dude is dead ass serious.
He was
About-
dead ass. Yeah, that was. Remember, he was on like Tosh.0 or some shit.
Oh my
I don't
god.
know. But yeah,
Oh shit.
yeah. So shout out to Odell Beck. You know, most of the people hating on Odell are like they're mad
dudes.
because he's
Yeah,
a
dudes.
young dude.
Yo,
When you're
fam-
young and popping, you're gonna get hated
Fam,
on.
that is-
because as two other young and popping people,
Right, I was about to
myself
say.
and Mero, you know,
As fellow sex symbols, you know what I'm
Fellow
saying? We
sex
know,
symbols,
we
you know?
understand the trials and tribulations.
you know, when you're like us and Odell Beckham Jr. in your early 20s,
You know what I'm saying?
getting money,
Getting money out
niggas
here in the
hate,
streets,
all
niggas
right?
is hating.
Because guess what, nigga, y'all can hate on my hairline, but don't worry, because you know my hairline looks shaky, my bank account don't.
Oh!
You know what I'm saying? I could buy a new hairline.
Only thing looks shaky is your girl's butt from the back.
That's right when I'm tagging it. You want some merch? Wait till your girl come through with a Bodega Boys tramp stamp, my nigga. That's your baby's
I'm like,
mama.
yo, it's Bodega Boys merch. Nigga, just some O-lines from my crib that your girl put on.
She's like, yo, this is a Bodega Boys hoodie. It's like it doesn't say Bodega Boys anywhere. She's gonna like smell it. It
This is
smells
a
like Mero.
champion. Just a champion
was-
hoodie with some bleach stains.
He was here when you were at work. Bodega Boys merch is just gonna be like
shit that we wore.
Yeah, that's it. And like clip blunts. Like a half-finished Heineken.
Yo, he's an old champion hoodie. He got half a roach in the pocket.
Oh man, just unused condoms by Mero autographed. I don't use these. What are these for? Coasters?
Condoms are pretending to open.
Oh man.
Yo, but yeah, ODB and Trey Songz, I don't. Man,
Do
that's
you
some
see
media
it?
takeout.
That's
shit,
some media
man.
takeout thing.
Yeah, that's some
This
bullshit.
is
man.
boys.
Yeah,
This is
yo,
boys.
listen. I mean, I feel how some people could say that about Trey Songz because I feel like Trey Songz talks about pussy in ways that like
Yep.
yo are incredible. Like you got to be. He's like a hood gynecologist.
He's like his thing is his songs are either like mad, emotionally
Blatant.
heart-rending,
Yeah.
or
Or
they're just
straight.
like straight vulgar. This
Yeah.
is like, yo, girl, I love you
Yeah.
forever till the sun fall out the sky.
Let me spit in your gaping asshole.
That's
bitch.
it. They'd be like,
Yeah,
yo,
what
He'd
did
be
you
like,
say?
Yeah, nipples looking on fleek. Let me chew on your clit, girl. Let me
Yo.
chew on your clit, girl. Like, no, Trey.
whoa,
Calm
whoa.
down, Trey.
Whoa.
It's not. Yep.
Yeah. Yo, your man said she don't speak French, but she French kiss dick.
Wow.
And that's a real, honest to God,
You
Trey
know
Songz
what?
lyric.
Listen, like you chicks is out there on the. You're not low.
Yeah, you
y'all
love
on
it
the
too.
train.
Y'all like it too.
Y'all listen to Trey Songz,
That's
do a little
right.
mixtape. Your poom poom's getting wet, and you're coming to work like that. That's
Yeah.
not cool. We can smell the pheromones.
You know what I'm saying? I
You know?
can
It's
smell
getting work.
It hits me right in the face.
You know you like that nasty shit.
know what I'm saying?
Wait till the Peanut Butter Boys drop their R&B album.
Woo!
No, I didn't say R&B. I said R&B.
R&B.
R&B, like AirBNB. Why? Because we're gonna lay up in that pussy.
That's right.
That's our first single.
Lay up in that pussy.
Airbnb, lay up in that pussy.
Featuring Travis Scott.
Straight up. Oh man.
I don't, listen,
Yeah, we can get him.
Fucking,
He ain't doing it. What's he doing, Rihanna? He's doing nothing. He'll be all right.
shout out to Rihanna's Pumas. Shout out to everybody's gonna throw those on and be like, yo, these are fire.
They're not.
They're not
I love
fire.
you. I love you, Rihanna, but they're not.
You're beautiful. You're an
They're
icon,
beautiful.
but they're not.
Because you know what? Sometimes as a celebrity, you have to endorse shit that's whack.
Yeah.
When you see me and Mero doing some whack ass Fandango ads and you kids deface them on the subway, Just remember,
right.
we were cool once.
That's right.
Okay? When I'm doing truth ads and I'm like,
man.
yo, stop smoking. Smoking's whack.
Oh man.
But then you see me at the bodega copping the wild, yo, Poppy, let me get a box of Entourage. And I'm rolling up. And I'll be like, nah, it's weed. It's not smoke.
You see me with the NYC condom on the subway ad, and then I'm in Target with 16 kids.
Just me and Mero on a billboard. Blue lives do matter. So basically, we're just telling you, get ready for the sellout.
Yeah, hell yeah, man. Get focused.
Speaking of selling out,
You know what I'm saying?
there was a
Social
shooting
awards.
yesterday.
Oh, there was a shooting yesterday?
You didn't know where I was going with that.
I was
did
like,
you?
I was like, social awards?
No.
Shootout?
The shooting, it was a San Bernardino.
Oh shit, that is wild.
See, that doesn't. We still don't have all the facts.
Yeah.
So we're not going to jump to. Nah, we're going to jump.
No, we'll get to the conclusions.
They're saying it was a husband and wife.
That is crazy.
And let me just be the first to say, relationship goals.
Oh, squad goals.
No, like, you have to have a strong marriage to come home mad, like, yo, honey, get the blicky.
Fam, I've gone through a lot in my life. You know what I'm saying? I've had a long,
You guys can't see it, but Mero
just.
just folded his arms on the table. So this is very earnest.
Yo, there is nothing on earth that I can say
To your wife to get the AK?
yes, literally nothing, fam. It could, yo, somebody took your mom's hostage.
Mm-hmm.
Fucking Starbucks discontinued pumpkin spice. I don't even know. There's nothing I can say, fam. I don't like.
If you were like, yo, they lost the check.
Yeah.
yeah.
No,
She coming through with the-
yeah, and in that case, she's coming through with RPGs.
The RPGs.
Yeah, Call of Duty guns.
Fucking Hellfire missile.
This check didn't fucking clear.
Yeah.
this
Everybody's
shit is crazy.
like, that's crazy. Everyone's like, yo, America, we got a gun problem.
Yeah,
You know the problem? Every time there's a shooting, people buy more guns.
that's right.
It's like
It's counterproductive.
it is counterproductive.
I'm
It's
saying?
like cheating on your girl.
That's right.
Because you feel guilty afterwards, and then you buy her flowers,
You just
and then
finesse
she
the
feels
shit out of
good,
that.
and then it's just like then she gets annoying again. You're like, damn, I gotta cheat on her again.
That made no sense, but it made perfect sense.
You know, if you are a dirty dude, you was like, yo, Jesus is preaching right now.
Word, preach, my nigga.
Right?
Tabernacle.
Because that's what it is. Sometimes you need a break from your girl.
Yo, listen,
I'm gonna be honest.
Dwayne
here.
Wade did it.
Sometimes you need your girl. You need that side chick to appreciate your girl.
Listen, man. When you're married, the fucked up thing is that like that
You can't ever leave.
That whole situation becomes like instead of getting a side bitch, you just got to go to the bathroom for mad long.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And like
Yeah.
I don't know, play Candy Crush.
Candy
or-
Crush?
Yeah.
Whack it.
Just get some tweets off. Yeah, jerk off. You know what I'm saying? See if you can catch a little Wi-Fi. My bathroom is weird because the Wi-Fi doesn't work that great in it, so it's like a struggle, man, to watch Pino.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
Nah, man, you just gotta stay out here texting these hoes. Man. Nothing's better than like your side chick texts you some nasty thing and you're like smiling and your girl thinks she's the reason why you're smiling.
I know all about that. Yo, my ex-girlfriend, I
Oh,
hope to
man.
God that she doesn't listen to this shit because she's going to be like, yo, you fucking piece of shit.
Yeah.
Being a nice guy now. Yo, when I was with that bitch, man, I was such a dirty, fucking stereotypical Dominican, man. Oh, my God.
But we've changed. We've grown.
Yeah, we've grown.
God working on everybody.
We've grown. Got it. Yo, listen. Hashtag God's working on everybody.
I was so immature. Yeah. I was listening to Jay-Z, Hey Poppy. Yeah,
Yo.
he finessed that.
Yeah.
He finessed that. Like,
Yo, that's why I used to go.
he grew up. And remember, in 1999, this week, Jay-Z stabbed somebody.
Yes.
Jay-Z stabbed somebody.
I like how Desus was explaining this shit to somebody in the Viacom elevator, and then like fucking two straight
like,
white
what?
dads get on. They're like, oh,
I
whoa.
was like, what? Jay-Z stabbed somebody?
Jehovah the God?
Yeah, back when he was Sean Carter, still wearing Rockaware bubbles.
Still wearing do-rags.
Wearing do-rags.
He'll drop you off if you talk about his do-rag. Huh? You know what I'm saying?
Oh, that's a reference.
Hey.
And Jay-Z stabbed somebody.
Ba-dum,
And look,
ba-dum,
he's turned his life
ba-dum.
around. That's what I hope
did.
for us. I feel like we're eventually going to,
Yeah, be doing Budweiser ads and shit. Yeah.
hanging with Gwyneth Paltrow.
Hell yeah.
What's her kid's name? Apple?
Apple.
It's Apple, right?
Apple.
That sounds about right.
Applesauce.
Apple. Crisscross applesauce.
Crisscross applesauce. Yo, and we talked about this yesterday.
On what?
Imagine the fucking situation. Imagine
Oh.
fucking Gwyneth Paltrow being like, Sean?
Sean? You stabbed somebody?
What?
Listen, Gwyneth Paltrow is not on Tidal going through Jay-Z's
No,
B-sides.
no,
She's not
no.
listening to Murdergram.
She's never
She's
heard
not
Streets
listening
is
to
Watching. No.
Money Cash Hoes.
No.
You know what I'm saying?
Nope.
Face Off. This goes out to my Brooklyn crew.
What?
Fuck them all day, fuck them all night. We don't
What?
love them hoes.
No.
Gwyneth is not singing the part.
Come
for
on,
that.
my
I don't even
nigga.
think Beyonce knows about those
The
songs.
Evils? Nah. She doesn't know any of that.
Beyonce thinks Jay-Z with a hyphen and Jay-Z without a hyphen are two completely
Different
people.
artists. Oh, yeah.
That's not Sean.
No, that's not Sean. Sean
No,
is this
Blue.
guy. He's
That's
like,
different.
that's not me, babe. He's crazy.
I remember I worked with him once. though.
I'm responsible now. Blue.
Oh man. How do we? Oh wow. How do we get on pause? Jay-Z.
Yo, listen.
No, fuck it's lit. We're flying.
We're flying, right? We're
flying.
You know what I'm
Wow.
saying? Speaking of flying and fucking making mistakes in life, your man Jahlil Okafor's flying too close to the sun. You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
Drinking too much Fireball out in Philly.
Dog, like
Hooking off on niggas wearing jogging pants.
I have no like. I'm concerned for him.
He's wild. He's
He is
19.
out there. He's not.
out there.
But no, this is
Nigga's
he's
19
living a
years
crazy life.
Yeah.
Because 19.
He's 19 and lives a crazy life.
Yeah, 19 and 19 with money are two different things.
Oh my God.
Right now, Jahlil
Fam.
Okafor is playing Rainbow Road on
Oh,
Mario Kart,
man.
and he did a wheelie, and he's in first place. But that blue shell is coming for him. All right, all right, calm down, guy.
Yeah.
He's out here. He got his second fight. He
Second
knocked
fight?
dude out.
Yo,
Yeah, that one.
I know
He
y'all seen that video, man.
And dude's gonna sue because
Of
when you
course he
fight
is.
somebody and you knock them out and you got money, guess what happens? They start
only
the
way-
fight, but they're gonna
They're
sue
gonna sue you.
So-
They're gonna sue you. I know y'all seen ballers. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
That's exactly. I can't wait for that to happen to one of us. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? Actually, I can't wait for that to not happen to one
Well,
of us.
no, what's gonna happen is like we're gonna get into a fight and knock somebody out, and they're gonna sue, and we're gonna go to the court and pull out our pockets like rabbit ears and be like, "What money would you like? Would you like some merch?
Would you like this 2005 Honda Accord?
Hold on, I think I have a Bush Baby CD sampler out here. Would you like that? I have a Rozelle album.
Yeah, I got
Listen, shout to Rozelle
Shout out to Razal
for bamboozling us with a full album
an
of that.
entire album of fucking mouth noises.
Yo, that's like he saw the guy from Police Academy and was like, "Yo, I could expand on this."
Fuck this.
Also, shout out to the guy from Police Academy who no one knows his real name. He's the
Nope.
black guy that does sound effects from Police Academy.
He's literally
He's like
listen,
Eddie Winslow.
That's him
Is
on
that name? I don't know.
Eddie
Michael.
Winslow?
Michael Winslow. I don't know.
He's listed on IMDb as the dude from Police Academy.
Yeah,
that
the
does
black guy from
the
black guy. The Google
the
search
not,
for
the
him.
not brolic black guy.
Black guy sound effects Police Academy.
Yo,
Oh.
shout out to all those terrible '90s cartoons that came from seemingly nowhere.
Like-
Yo, if you had a cartoon or you had a shoe or you fucking were an athlete, niggas gave you a cartoon. in
Why
the
did
90s.
Hammer have two cartoons?
Yeah, two.
With talking sneakers.
Why?
Did we just have no content out there?
Yo, we need a cartoon with Michael Jordan, Bo Jackson, and Wayne Gretzky together hanging
Oh.
out. They don't really hang out in real life.
Does anyone? This is a wash reference, but I hope you people get it. Does anyone remember where all the cartoons on all the channels came together to fight drugs?
Oh shit, that was,
And it was
so
like
lit.
it was like 9 a.m., channel 2, channel 4, channel 5,
Yo,
channel 7.
that
It was
was
like
lit.
a crossover,
Yeah.
and they were trying to beat drugs.
Yo, they would.
And guess what? They lost.
Yeah, they lost.
Because my cousin was still getting them krills off. Serving crack in the community.
Yo, who would that be now? How would
would-
they do that? Would they
what?
do it with rappers?
Do they even show cartoons in the
That's what I'm
morning
saying,
anymore?
yeah.
They don't. They do that AI, what EI, like educational, informational.
Yeah.
Like, hey, look at this. Here's a koala bear.
Yeah.
Did you know koalas could, like, when
Yes.
you're a bad parent, no offense, Mero, you put your kid in front of it.
I put my kids in front of TV all the time.
Yeah.
Because I'm a
Kids
real
are-
parent.
your
and I
kids
have
get a
actual
contact
kids.
high.
Yeah, everybody that has one kid is like, yo, don't do this, don't do that. Nigga, talk to me when you have multiple children and you got to switch your defense from man to zone and your whole shit is fucked up. You know what I'm saying? You got to play a little prevent. Yo, but now it's true. Before cartoons were just fun to watch.
Yeah.
Now every cartoon is, all my kids' cartoons, before they start, it's like, your child is learning how to count numbers and how to be a good person and how to say hello and thank you. I'm like, nigga, I don't care. Like, just do superhero
Cartoons
shit.
are trash now. Like
they're
Peppa
mad boring.
Pig.
Yeah.
Peppa Pig is mad rude.
Remember when Karis one was like, yo, edutainment?
Yeah.
I don't want edutainment, my nigga. I just
Wow.
want to be entertained. Fuck
I
outta
think
here.
you are the only person who said that word in like 2015. Somewhere, Karis one is like, "You must learn," like mad loud, and somebody is like, "Sir, are you gonna order? This is Starbucks." Like, like he's like, "Let's talk about the 5 pillars." Like, sir,
No,
you
sir.
want a vente or not?
I mean, pumps? How many?
Can I get a 1 pump of classic syrup and 4 pumps of the pillar of hip hop, graffiti, breakdancing, turntablism?
My nose. A lot of people don't know this. Karis one's nose is his
A
fifth element of
beautiful
hip-hop.
bell pepper.
That's right.
You can stuff it with meats. Since Karis went from the Bronx and our transitions are terrible.
Yeah.
Just like a quick fuck you to Empire.
Oh, shit.
All right, you thought you were low last week because we didn't record.
I'm not going to the Bronx.
Yeah, you want to throw your little subs at the Bronx? Mm-hmm. The Bronx ain't never did nothing to
That's
you.
right.
What is it, Lee Daniels?
Lee Daniels.
Lee Daniels, quiet for you.
He was
With the
in
jackets.
he was in the actual show, I think.
Was he? I don't watch it. You watch it.
Yeah,
right?
oh, that's right. Yeah, Lee Daniels was actually in the show playing a Zesty video music director, which
Is that where the I'm not going to the
what a
Bronx reference?
stretch! What a stretch for him. Yeah, and that's where they came from. But
But stay woke because
saying?
Empire never referenced the Bronx.
That's right.
Until I pointed out that Empire was created by the government to keep blacks inside on Wednesday night. So now they're trying to fire back with that sub.
Shit.
Listen, we could go shop for shop, baby. All right, I got all day. You think having
throw the beat on?
you think having Charlemagne on this is gonna stop me? All right,
is that a peace offering?
That's not a peace offering.
They're trying to get you to watch
I
it.
get you and Charlemagne out the paint. I hate Empire.
Yeah,
It's a terrible show.
I threw the shit out last night. Heather was like, "Did you know that Charlemagne was gonna be on this?" I was like, "Nah, I had no idea."
No idea. What a shock.
Wow,
What a surprise.
incredible.
Now, Empire, I feel like we're at the point now, it's just a matter of time before Empire reaches out for us to be on it.
Oh yeah, I
just
can't
gonna
wait.
be on it.
Yeah, we gotta just keep talking about it until they're like, "Yo,
Put us on.
the
Put us on
videos.
Empire.
Yeah, listen, this
And they're
is
going to make my lines terrible.
I think it's gonna be so awful.
They're going to make me like Jamal's lover or something.
You already know.
Yeah.
But that's the plot line.
Listen,
He
if the
comes
check
in,
clears.
Jamal tries to hit on Desus, you know what I'm saying? I have a fight with Hakeem, and then Victor fucks Cookie. Boom, book it.
Are these real names? Are these real characters?
Yep.
They sound so made up.
Absolutely.
They all
Yep.
sound like Black Planet names.
And they probably are. I feel like that's where they sourced most of these names. You know what I'm saying? It was like rap aliases and fucking. Yo, they have the worst rap names ever, dog. There's like a dude. There's like Papa J, fucking Frida Gatz. There's a rapper called Frida Gatz on the show. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, reach out to the Bodega Boys if you need rap names. We got them on deck.
On deck.
You know, we got fire with the AKs.
You know what
I'm saying?
Too soon.
Oh shit!
Jeez. It's Mero over here. Mero over here doing stand up in front of a Planned Parenthood.
Hey.
You wanna calm it down, guy?
No, AKAs,
Not the 4-7.
aliases.
Oh man.
Yeah. So yeah, listen, we're out here. You know what I'm
We're
saying?
out here.
So you know we're available for consultations. Dude's already told you if you need
Listen.
if you need us to break you up with your boyfriend, whatever you need.
If you want us on your show, just reach out.
Yeah.
Any show. I'll be on Dr. Oz.
Yeah.
I'll be on
Fuck it.
fuck it.
What
Entertainment
else, what's
Tonight.
out there? Bad Girls Club 7. What are they on? 7, 9?
I don't know. What
cares?
is like that food one where the guy's always yelling? What is
Yeah.
that? I don't know. I'll
Ainsley
do it.
Harriet. Yo, go YouTube Ainsley Harriet.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. That's a good one.
Yo, I like how on the rundown and shit, these just wrote shootings.
Because shootings happen all the time in America.
Yo, it's like what? Yo, seriously, I forgot. I don't know who said this shit. Shout out to you, whoever said it. It's like watching the weather now. It's like, yo, where did the shooting happen this week? This week
They literally could have a segment on the news and be like, yo, today an active shooter
today,
report.
after active shooter report.
It's like
Yo.
America was founded on guns
Okay,
and killing Indians.
That's true.
And, well, you know, this is our culture.
Yep.
Everyone's like, why does it happen here? Yeah. Why is America only the place that has shootings? Like, because we have more guns than people?
hello.
There are people who have like 50 guns. Like, why do you need 50 guns?
Why do you need 50 guns?
How are you firing 50 guns?
You can't shoot 50 guns.
You can't shoot 50
You can't
guns.
shoot 50 guns.
I've tried it in Call of Duty. It can't happen.
You know how
can
many
only
people?
carry 2 guns.
You know how many people would say something sideways to you about having 8,000 pairs of sneakers?
Right.
Yet we'll have 45 guns in their basement.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Second Amendment.
You know what I'm saying?
Obama trying to take our guns.
It's my rights.
And the people who have the most guns are usually out like mad far out in the middle of nowhere. Like, no one's coming for you.
one's
You're in
coming for you, fam.
Montana, dog. Not French Montana. You're in Montana.
Actual Montana.
Okay?
Yeah.
Nobody's coming for you.
You don't need, fam, you need one gun to kill a bear. You don't
One
need
gun.
45 guns to kill a bear. You don't need
Also,
an automatic rifle to kill a bear.
All right?
You do not, I promise.
You don't need the HK.
No.
Okay, with the semi-auto stock.
You kill
No.
a bear with like a potato gun. Nigga.
You know,
Come on.
50 cal hitting a bear, he just explodes and vaporizes in the pink mist. Come on, it's too much.
Fucking A, man.
And then the people who do need guns, aka me and Mero,
That's right.
we can't have them.
We got to share a gun with mad duct tape on the handle.
Shit is
And, man,
rusty. Shit
Actually, no, it's. I don't know what we're talking.
Shit look like Red Dead Redemption. It's mad rusty.
Yeah. That was
No
a joke.
guns. No guns.
Yeah,
Mero don't have no guns in his house. Underneath the couch in the living room.
No.
So yeah. Then people was like, yeah, how are we gonna stop shootings? How are we gonna stop America from having shootings every day?
Stop giving niggas guns. Stop selling guns at gun shows. Maybe,
But I mean, there's
like,
guns out there that are older than us. That's
Yeah,
still
that's
out
true.
there.
That's
So
true.
what do
I
you
mean,
do
I
there?
feel like if you go somewhere and you could clap 40 motherfuckers with a fucking musket, I mean, you kind of earned it.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying? That's a hot take.
That's a hot take.
That's a hot
But
take.
listen, I mean, we're getting to the point now. It's not even like. Like the turn, like people were like, "Yo, that's fucked up." I'm pray for it, and then there's like Twitter jokes.
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
this is normal now.
Pray 10 hours in the Twitter jokes. I don't know if you guys know, like a year ago, a dude clapped an entire school of like toddlers.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Niggas
Like
talking
that's
about
not
that shit no
even
more.
that. Like people are like, "Oh yeah, that happened."
Oh, yeah.
That's not like we don't have like a national day of mourning for Sandy Hook. Niggas
Yeah,
is
no.
just like, "Yo,
Oh shit! Footnote.
niggas." NRA is like, "The baby should have had guns."
Yo, I feel like we've covered this. Having a gun doesn't make shit safer, nigga. It makes it more dangerous because you got a bunch of cowboy motherfuckers shooting guns at random. You know what I'm saying?
Like,
because
if
they think somebody might have a gun.
If someone runs in here right now, do I want a guy in a pair of Skechers who's too lazy to work out and hasn't been to the fire range to start busting
No.
back? Like,
No.
nah. But that's the American. I feel like that's the new American dream. It's not about owning a house, 2 kids, and a picket fence. No. It's about clapping someone and getting away with it.
Yeah.
Because everybody wants to shoot somebody. Everybody just wants to get the George Zimmerman on.
It's so real. People don't understand. I'll be real. Holding a gun in your hand, you feel mad powerful.
It's literally one of the best feelings in the whole entire world. Not even having it in your hand, having it on your waist as you 2-step at a Sweet 16.
Yes.
Allegedly.
Yes, allegedly. You know what I'm saying?
But
neither of us have ever done that ever.
But that's the problem. I feel like you get that gun and that feeling is just like, whoa, I'm the man.
Dog, my man literally told me one time, he turns around to me, I'll never forget the show, in a late model Escalade back when they were popping. And your man turns to me and he goes, niggas around somebody, he's like, yo, having a gun, my nigga, makes me feel like God. I was like, wow, is this a fucking LL Cool J movie, dog, on BET? What is happening right now?
I've heard that before.
I was like, and then I was like, you know what? You're kind of right. It's like, I have the power to destroy a fucking human being.
You are judge, jury, and executioner.
That's right.
Think about it. Your whole life, you've never felt like you mattered. You've never felt like a man. Now you got a gun.
Woo.
Now you bumping into niggas.
Oh,
wishing
man.
a nigga would.
I wish you would, fam.
I wish you would. What the fuck you looking at, nigga?
Oh, what?
What?
You look at me funny?
Look at your girl. Slap your girl on her butt. What the fuck you want to do?
Yeah, I know that you know some niggas from 215. I'm from 216.
Oh, that's right, nigga. That's right. Catching the wild flashback.
But when you beat me up in 3rd grade.
See, people don't realize, like, hood dudes, you get flashbacks the way people who go to, like, the army.
Oh, yeah, for the Vietnam flashback.
Dog, I be having skate key flashbacks. You're like, oh, wow, niggas trying to get me.
Shout out to niggas having Halloween 4 train flashbacks.
Oh, wow. There's people, like, watching us on MTV, too, like, damn. Niggas tapping his wife, like, I swear these guys jumped me, like, 10 years ago. It's uncanny.
It's the resemblance.
I think so.
Listen, man. Nowadays, remember niggas used to like kick open the doors and shit? Nowadays, if you did that on a train, motherfucker, the terror unit would be on you in 10 seconds.
Yeah.
If you would dare kick a door in and go on the speaker.
That's something I don't think people have addressed that. It's become a lot harder to pee in the subway.
Oh my God.
Because of terrorism.
So hard.
Like,
so hard.
Now, a lot of you, that's not a problem. You know what I'm saying?
You can't do anything, so you can't.
You
roll
guys
weed,
have bathrooms.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Me, myself, personally, I likes to drink.
Yeah.
So, sometimes I might be 2-stepping back through Grand Central, coming from Foley's on 33rd where I got thrown out, but we're not going to discuss that.
Fam, here's a Halloween costume idea for y'all inventive motherfuckers next year. Is Desus walking down the street drunk, pissing in a bottle.
That has happened.
You know what I'm saying? You need a leather jacket.
Mero, how many times have you seen me pee in like a random object? More times than you want to admit.
You know how many homeless can't collect the dudes' days Desus has fucked up?
Yo.
When they just go into the I got a glass bottle. Oh,
you want to see this?
Oh, it's full of Desus.
Here's our second Kidavelli reference. Since last week, we referenced her for the DJ at the HIV press conference. But the first time I met Kidavelli in South by Southwest, we was hanging with BIC, Wardrobe Mafia.
That's right.
And Kidavelli was like, yo, you're Desus. And she tried to shake my hand, and I was like, wow, I am peeing in a cup as I'm talking to you.
Actively.
And she was like, oh, wow. So shout out to you, Kidavelli. We love you.
Yeah.
Oh, man. What else we got here?
Yeah, you pee. Yo.
Pee. Pissy hands. Pissy hand McGee.
Fuck it.
It's lit.
You keep your immune system up that way.
Do you?
It's true.
You know how else you keep your immune system? Delicious Red Bulls.
Oh,
they give you wings.
Shit, I'm about to crack.
Oh,
crack.
You heard that? You heard that? That's right. Really use the product.
You know what I'm saying?
For Thanksgiving, I use some Red Bull in my turkey.
That's right. Oh, that's delicious.
It's delicious.
Yo, the Red Bull stuffing? Oh my God.
It was good. Only problem was the turkey got up, started running laps around the house.
He did.
He was like, I got wings, nigga.
Fam, I put Red Bull in my turkey and it beat Usain Bolt on a race.
That's not funny. I'm Jamaican. Don't.
Don't ever.
All right, you see me mocking Tito Puente? Don't mock Usain Bolt.
Tito Puente. Yo, shout out to Tito Puente, dog. I saw a random YouTube video of him performing in the Bronx in the 70s, and there was like mad dope fiends dancing around.
Do you know what kind of hoes Tito Puente had? And that's like before condom days. That was like,
and that's ill.
That was
like right crack AIDS.
Yeah,
no condoms, and your man finessed through all of that.
When the chocha still had hair on it. Ooh, those are good times,
God
man.
Damn.
Just beating the drums and beating up your DT. banging her back out at Alexander's on Fordham.
Yo, shout out to all y'all that got a Puerto Rican great grandma who definitely smashed Tito Puente.
Yeah, she just got the droopy coquille tattoo on her butt. It used to be very tight and tender. Now not so much.
She looks like a bullfrog now.
She looks like the Budweiser frogs. Oh, it's lit.
Oh, shit. I was about to be like, what's up? I was like, oh, that's a totally different ad campaign.
Oh, yeah, it is. That was, what was it? It was like, Wise. Wow.
Yeah.
Yo, everything before 2015 was trash.
Trash.
Like ads.
Imagine pitching that to a company now. Like,
so
yo.
the Three Frogs, they're like Bud, We want to run it during the Super Bowl. It's going to cost $1 million a second. What's up?
What's poppin'?
What's poppin'?
You just back out like Nick Young shooting a three. Like, what's
good? Watch Cardi B be in a Super Bowl ad this.
Oh, you already
for
know.
like pets.com or something.
Oh my God. Yo, y'all niggas got pets? Go to pets.com because if you love your pets, you know that pets is forever.
Oh man, we're gonna get a Bodega Boys ad during the Super Bowl.
We got to.
How much is? They said Super Bowl is not even the most expensive TV play anymore. Now
Really?
something.
What is it? World Series?
Can't
Can't be the World Series.
Probably Walking Dead, which is stupid.
Walking Dead? Probably
Stupid.
Talking Dead.
Probably. Let me tell you something. Look, bring that mic near me.
Yeah, go on, talk to him.
Yo, Walking Dead, man. What are you guys doing? I watch the show religiously for like it feels like 15 years. Y'all frustrate me every fucking week. Y'all don't know what a zombie is? Why y'all always tripping when the zombies show up? And literally tripping. Like, you could just stand there and stab them in the head. Like, why? They invaded a town last week, and then people were like, if you don't watch the show, I'm going to paint a picture because this is how simple it is. They have a town they live in. Right. They put up walls. Okay. There's mad zombies outside the walls. Okay. Something happened, the wall fell down. All the zombies rushed into the town. These motherfuckers stand in the street fighting against the zombies. Why don't you just go inside?
What is this, gangs in New York? Why are you fighting in the street?
Why are you fighting in the street? Why are you fighting zombies?
Zombies are stupid.
They're mad slow.
They're slow.
In theory, stupid. I feel like if zombies really, like, you could probably just sidestep a zombie. You don't have to kill them. Like, if you live in New York, your whole thing is avoiding people. Yeah. You could have a zombie invasion in New York and not touch a zombie. You wouldn't have to kill a zombie.
I would go to the MetroCard machine without touching a zombie. Oh. Yeah, I would James Harden Eurostep every zombie on Broadway.
It's not just a zombie just coming down the train like, collect the money. Just blocking the doors like, excuse me. Could you step in? Maybe we could all get in the train. You know what? Step in.
This motherfucker smell like shit.
Fucking zombies. This motherfucker arm fell off.
Smell like he dead.
Oh, man. I'm collecting money for zombies. Not from high school. We got his brains.
You just put your headphones on. Shit like, oh, God.
Here we go again.
Oh, my God.
That's why I take
it's the fucking breakdancing zombies. Oh, my God. Here they come.
If you like what you see, zombies pop locking. Just tourists looking at them like, wow, they're so good. They're so good. How fucking that decomposed one hit the roof. Zombie breakdancers.
Oh my God.
Oh man. Showtime.
Showtime.
Brain time. Oh.
Death time.
Death, turn around and die.
Shout out to that guy.
Oh.
The turn around and die guy.
So what do you think about this Bodega Boys in the building?
That's right.
What do you think about this Rick Ross Drake beef?
Oh my God.
I feel like there's too much beef now in hip hop. It's not good beef. It's not like someone's gonna die beef.
Yeah, it's just boring.
You know,
like
no one's
internet
getting
beef.
popped.
Nah, it's just so. Are memes even gonna come out of this one?
Right. Beef used to be like HIV.
It's okay.
Beef used to be like HIV. Now it's like gonorrhea or something. Like it's curable. Yeah. It's not serious.
Oh, you got rat beef? Here, take this pill.
Yeah, take that pill. You'll be all right. Like before, it was like, yo, you got beef, you could die. Rip to Tupac. Rip to Biggie. Rip to one of the Lost Boys. I don't know if he died in beef, but whatever.
Didn't Big L die in beef also?
Who?
Big L got shot.
It was a mistaken identity. They were going after his brother.
Oh, damn.
Rest in peace, Lamont. Used to 212 with you, NYC Booms.
That's right.
That's history.
You know what I'm saying?
But now you got Rick Ross and Drake, a CEO, and a half Jewish rapper from Canada are beefing.
Listen,
Lyrical Fury.
Oh my God, this is crazy.
And people are saying Rick Ross is built for this. I don't know if you want to go to war with Drake.
I don't.
Drake is kind of like America's army right now.
Seriously.
Yeah.
Also, is Rick Ross even scary anymore? I feel like Rick Ross lost mad weight.
Was Rick Ross ever scary?
He's not. He's like Al Roker. Remember Al Roker? He was like mad fat and jolly. Now he's just looks like a nutsack.
Did he get he said he worked out? Yeah.
Yeah, I know, pal.
Listen, I know gastric bypass when I see it, my friend. You just bought 70 Wingstops.
Yeah,
you're not low.
Come on.
All right, I see you in the back licking the batter off your fingers.
Your abdomen literally looks like a scrotum, my guy. You know what I'm saying? Like a literal scrotum.
Lemon pepper wings. But yeah, he said in like a new song, which I don't know because Rick Ross drops new songs every day.
Every day.
It's enough.
Yeah.
All right, how many times can you talk about luxuriating, thinking about Coca-Cola and cocaine with my cigar over a lush beat? And he said that. He said like he took Meek's side. He was like, "Yo, my man made $1 million off his girls tour." Stop.
No, he didn't.
Meek Mill did not make $1 million. So stop it. Stop it. $5. And
$1 million?
$1 million?
Nicki probably made $1 million.
Maybe.
Gross.
You know what I'm
saying?
Gross.
Exactly.
All right.
I like to throw that up. Yeah.
Throw it out there.
Throw
all
it
right?
out there. It's gross.
A lot of people got to get paid off that million. All right. Stop fronting for the cameras.
That's right.
And then he was like, yo, you could get popped. He said you could get popped. Remember in rap where you were like, yo, I'll get you popped. And it was like, that wasn't like, if someone said they were going to get you shot, that wasn't like
that means
a threat. That was a promise.
Yeah, somebody's going to try to shoot you in the next couple days.
Yeah.
Yep.
But now he's like, I'll get you shot, I'll get you jumped, I'll get you cut. Like,
yeah. That's just like a cool thing to say in a rundown.
It's not cool. It's not cool. What happened to rappers? Rappers need to start shooting each other again.
Yo,
increase the crime rate.
Increase the crime rate. Yo, you just reminded me of some shit. Fucking Tax was like, yo, we need violence in hip hop, which is true. Shout out to Tax. And somebody quoted the shit and said, yeah, they should start. Troy Ave should start by murking you.
Wow. Jesus.
That's wild.
See, that's a good beef. Troy Ave and Tax Stone. That's a very enjoyable beef. Yeah, it's New York. Yeah. At any given moment something could go down.
Because these niggas might bump into each other at Dr. J's at any moment. You know what I'm saying?
Planet Earth.
Yeah.
While they're scamming at Red Lobster. Just taxing some true religious.
You know what I'm saying?
Bump into Troy Ave. Peace, beloved. Be safe, though.
Be safe, though. Niggas outside and niggas get to clapping.
Or Troy Ave hop in the studio and drop a G-mix over Adele's Hello. Just in Tax.
Oh, my God.
Welcome to the other side.
Welcome to the scammer side.
Yeah, so bring back the threat of violence.
Yeah, come on, man.
Remember what Troy Ave told somebody? He was like, I see you, it's going to be violence.
Oh, God.
That's a top 5 tweet.
Woo. He literally said the word violence.
He said it's going to be violence.
He didn't want there to be any mistakes.
He was like, there's going to be violence. All right? You know what violence is. All right? It's not going to be a punch.
I wanted to make very explicit.
It's going to be violence. Then on Mother's Day, he sent his mother a text. When I see you, there's going to be violence.
Violence.
Let's go to this Philharmonic. When I see you, it's going to be violence.
Violence.
We can do this all day. Before we were recording, we were talking about. Do you guys remember the Jewish girl that used to play the violin?
Yes.
What's her name?
Mary Ben Ari.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow, the Google's working.
Yeah.
Mary Ben Ari, Grammy Award-winning violinist.
She won a Grammy?
She won. Humanitarian, originally from Israel.
Humanitarian?
You can put that in your bio. You don't have to do shit. I'm a humanitarian.
Yeah, I gave a dude a granola bar that was homeless like yesterday out of my car. I was going like 20 miles an hour and I actually handed it off. I was dangerous.
Oh, wow.
I'm a humanitarian.
Look at you.
I'm a humanitarian.
Look at you. Some guy asked me like how to get to the courthouse.
And
I gave him directions. So I'm a humanitarian.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, you helping out. You helping out.
I slapped the shit out of them niggas in my Instagram comments.
That's right.
I'm a humanitarian.
That's right.
All right.
You know what I'm saying? Helping.
Shout out to everyone on Instagram who has a locked account. Never got no photos up.
No photos.
But when I run in your mentions, say some wild shit.
Of course.
Come on, man.
Oh.
Listen, we just trying out here to cook.
Yeah.
Leave my hairline alone, dog.
Yeah, let my man live, dog.
Let me live, man.
You know what I'm saying?
Don't be adding that. It's not necessary. That's not necessary, man.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So, you know what I'm saying? The hairline, you know what I'm saying? Whatever. But I was still trying to think of something clever to say, but I'm not going to do it.
Okay. We'll probably cut it before that. Yeah. Bodega Boys in the building. The Soul Train Awards were this week.
Super lit.
Terrible. I got a threatening text from a BET employee.
Are you serious?
Shout out to Renard. Because I was slandering. It was a cool awards. They brought out R. Kelly.
Oh.
Who knew R. Kelly was still...
Okay.
I didn't know. Listen, we did not speak about that at the Black people meeting.
Yikes.
We didn't say we were bringing back R. Kelly.
Threw niggas a curveball.
R. Kelly, I thought we got him out the paint. He's back.
That's like...
The problem with R. Kelly is like, he never was like, yo, I'm sorry for like touching them kids.
He never apologized. He never apologized. He never admitted it.
He never admitted. But we saw the video, and this is before the internet.
You
had to go purchase the fucking CD.
And that shit still got mad widely disseminated.
All over the place.
Like you said, pre-internet, which takes work to do. You know what I'm saying? Like, niggas were dubbing that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So a lot of y'all got child porn dubbed.
A lot of y'all are no better than Jared.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay? Just throwing that out there. But they brought out R. Kelly. Erykah Badu was like, he's done a lot for black people. Okay, stop my time. That's a big statement.
Erykah Badu said R. Kelly's done a lot for black people?
Yeah, that's a big statement.
I mean, he's paid a lot out in settlements, so I guess he has.
I mean, listen, every family reunion is lit when Happy People comes on.
Hey.
But that's not enough. You know what I'm saying? If my child got molested by R. Kelly, and you're like, well, he made Step in the Name of Love.
Nah, it's not enough for me.
Nah, it's not enough. Maybe the remix.
And we had this conversation also behind the scenes. 12 Play 2 was not that fire.
It was not.
12 Play actually was not that fire. 12play2.com was fire.
Okay, like listen, guys, stop naming your albums after hashtags, Tumblr, and websites.
Fam, can I tell you that album came out and it was peak internet downloading shit on the internet age, and I was like, I'm not downloading this shit. This shit is a virus. TP2-.com-MP3. Nah, I don't know
Featuring
about this.
Eminem, DMX,
Nas, Ludacris.
not a blend. Oh man! But what I'm saying is, if R. Kelly could come back, yo, it's just a matter of time before Bill Cosby shows his ugly, rapey, speckled face again.
Oh my God!
And is accepted into good society. Because the thing is, like,
would Botox help Bill Cosby? Like an eyebrow lift or something? Because he looks like an evil bullfrog.
He does.
I feel like that's why people don't fuck with him, because he looks like Black Gargamel now.
Yeah.
You know
what? He needs to shave.
He definitely needs to shave.
He definitely needs to shave.
And stop wearing the hoodies, though.
He also needs to dye.
Yeah, first and foremost.
Get him out the paint. But no, I feel like maybe, people are like, he's gonna die within the next year. He'll be fine. He's not dying anytime soon.
Only guilty white people. Joe Paterno, people like that. Only people like that die.
Bill Cosby's gonna live forever.
Forever.
As Cardi B would say.
Forever.
All right? And watch BET he's gonna give him
God,
some sort of lifetime achievement award.
Oh, you already know.
Because it's just like you gotta wait it out. That's the internet now. You just gotta wait shit out.
Yeah.
Odell Beckham Jr. He just gotta wait out till the Trey Songz shit is done.
Yo,
you know
what I'm saying? Listen, I know we slam the Empire a lot here, but like my man Trey I was gonna call him Trey. Terrence Howard said, the Twitter things will blow over in the morning. Everything. Twitter will be slandering somebody new in the morning.
Right.
That's true. All
right.
Every time you get slandered on Twitter right now, have no fear.
Listen.
You'll be all right. The only way you're in trouble is if you're a white person who says something racist, you might lose your job.
Yeah, because you know what? That Twitter won't forget.
They will never forget.
We'll never forget. Because remember, Black Twitter got a long memory.
We still remember fucking Shorty from the guy on the plane and landed with no job.
Has Justine landed yet?
Yeah.
Got her out the paint. And I'm glad we got her out the paint. And she had to face the repercussions of not having a job when she got back to South Africa and went to the mansion she lives in because her father owns a diamond mine.
That's right.
She was fine.
Yeah, she was really okay.
She learned nothing from that.
You know what's crazy? When motherfuckers get out the paint from shit like this, they always win in the end, because there's always the crazy white people who come out and are like, "Yo, I support you. I'm gonna PayPal you mad money."
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying? Like,
they start Kickstarter for it.
George Zimmerman probably cashed out.
Oh, George Zimmerman cashed out.
He cashed the fuck
out. You know
out.
the easiest way for a white person to get a lot of money from Kickstarter?
Kill a black kid.
Kill a black kid.
Oh yeah,
yeah. Like, kill a black kid. Yo. That is Kickstarter.
KillerBlackKid.com.
It's KillerBlackKid.com.
Oh my god.
But no, it's like, yo, like these cops, that cop that shot Laquan,
oh man,
busted like 16 shots in like 3 seconds or some shit like that.
And PBA started a fun fit.
Yeah. His wife started it like, yo, gotta hear both sides, which I respect.
Oh, shout out there.
I respect the gotta hear both sides.
It takes a lot of balls to do that when you saw that video.
It does. But
damn.
But they said he lunged.
Oh, he lunged?
They say he lunged.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
It's whatever. It's whatever. It's all well and good.
He lunged to the floor. Like, oh shit, you shot me.
The shit out that kid.
Yo, fam, that was
wild.
What,
in GTA, where you do some dumb shit and the cops just keep unloading on you and it turns black and white and then you wake up in that's what that shit. I was like, yo, like, y'all niggas want to chill?
Listen, and you know how when they show shit on the news and they're like, yo, we're cutting this video off because of graphic. I was like, how graphic is it be? I was like, we've done seen, like you said, the United States, man, is gun culture. We're desensitized to this shit.
Yep.
We've seen a million videos of people getting shot. How bad could it be? Your man puts his hand up at one point, and then the cop still unloads shots into your boy.
Just popping shots. Like, he was about to reload and start over.
Yikes.
Like,
that niggas are doing too much.
Doing too much. You know, Blue Lives Matter. You do shit like that, I don't know. Get a little sketch.
Get a little sketchy out there.
Get a little sketch out there in the streets, dog. Watch yourself. Be safe, beloved. Hove.
Yeah.
So chained. Joe, I mean, what 48. First 48.
That's right. Oh, the Ben Carson shit.
Oh yeah. How do you want to intro that?
Let's see here. Yo, we have a really great quote from Ben Carson. Ben Carson is like the gift that keeps on giving. You know what I'm saying?
He is, but you know what? I feel bad. He had that bump when he was on the show. Mm-hmm. You know, Ben Barson.
Yeah, Ben Barson.
He had that bump. Mm-hmm. But since then, Donald Trump has said crazier shit. Since we're sending all Mexicans to Jupiter. Yep. You know, he's in the polls. Jupiter.
Actually.
Ted Cruz came out and said some wild shit talking about, I listened to the Bodega Boys, and it's not the Bible. The Bible has facts on deck.
Nah.
You know, Ted Cruz, fuck Ted Cruz. Ted Cruz looks like Lisa Shoot Larry. That is a dated reference, but if you know your computer games,
you know
what
my nigga, you know what? We gotta stop saying dated references. You have Google. There's no such thing as a data
That's
reference.
right.
He said Leisure Suit Larry. Fucking Google it.
Google
you know what I'm
it.
saying? And then you're going to see that he looks exactly like Ted Cruz, and you're going to have a VIP laughing party by yourself. You're welcome. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, the Bodega Boys are funny.
Oh, my God.
But yeah, so Ben Carson, he's falling in the pose. And we were like, yo, Ben, my nigga. He was like, please don't refer to me as that.
Yeah.
We saw him at a Popeyes establishment.
Yep.
And I was like, would you like to call in and, maybe clarify some of the things you have said, because the liberal media's game of telephone has, misinterpreted my man's words.
Because your man's original quote was, well, it's hard to imagine that you would shoot a bunch of people and not hate them. RE hate crimes.
Right.
Because he said the San Bernardino shooting was a hate crime.
Right.
You know what I'm
Because
saying?
he's saying anytime you shoot someone, it's a hate crime because you hate people.
Yeah. Which I don't know if he really fully understands the definition of a hate crime.
We actually have him saying this. He calls in.
Let's go to his voicemail.
Hello, Bodega Boys. It's your boy, Ben Barson. I've returned triumphantly after, Donald and them have been trying to pull up from three like Steph Curry, like I am known to do. They can't do it like me. They can't D-Lo shuffle like me. They can't hit the Quan like me. And they can't campaign like me. Let me tell you something. My words, once again, twisted by the liberal media and the mainstream. What I said was that usually when you shoot people, you don't like them. That's a hate crime. That makes perfect sense. I don't understand why you think that I'm dumb. Have you ever in your life made a brain out of unpopped popcorn? You have never done something like this. Therefore, you have no room to question me or my compatriots and our shuffle-up-a-guesses. That's a word that I just made up, but you wouldn't know that because you're not a brain surgeon. I am. So I will leave you with this. Donald, Ted, you motherfuckers can't Millie rock on any block. I can. Peace, bitch. I'm dropping this mic.
Yo, I'm just imagining Ben Carson and Candy Millie rocking for 4 days. I Millie rock on any block. I Millie rock on any block. They got me on the Explorer page.
Yo, Candy Carson sounds like wind chimes, my nigga.
You know what's fucked up? I did not know this about her. She went to school for music. She went to school for music, pre-law, and like some other, she's like some sort of black prodigy.
Fam, you telling me that she went to school for music is like you telling me that Guy Fieri went to culinary school.
Donkey sauce!
You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
Like you went to music school?
I didn't say what type of music. Clearly not urban R&B. Listen, at this point, I feel like Tinashe sings better than Candy Carson.
That's a funny joke that I will give to you. Anytime somebody says Tinashe, just say bless you.
Oh, man.
And then they will laugh.
Tinashe is like,
it's whimsical. I love her. Yo, but it's mad funny because she has like the, yo, R&B, and I'm singing. And then she has like the, hey guys, like I'm Tinashe.
For proactive
voice. Shout out to her.
She can get it though.
Yeah,
she's beautiful. She's very flexible.
I love her.
I love me a flexible chick.
I love her so much.
Fold them up in a pretzel and throw them in the corner.
I keep pitching these girls over like, yo, you should date them. So
let's do that. We're gonna have hook these up. We're gonna bring 3 ladies in here.
That's right.
You know, two ladies and 1 dude because we're inclusive.
That's right.
All right.
That's right.
But me and the dude not gonna do nothing. We're just gonna hang out. We're gonna hang out.
Yeah,
we're gonna go to the movies and have a seat between us.
That's right.
And
It's
watch
like when
shit on some bro
Jamal
shit.
kissed Alicia Keys in Empire. It meant nothing. Empire reference.
Yo, dog, why is Alicia Keys on Empire?
She was on Empire with purple hair.
Like what?
Yo, that show is wild. They have the wildest cameos. That's what makes me really feel like we're
gonna
be on that
there,
show
yeah.
eventually. Yeah, because they got some wild, obscure, weird cameos, and then they have Rosie O'Donnell on the shit, my nigga. That's not a joke.
Wild.
I'm not joking.
I know. I saw that. That's wild, man. But yeah, we're gonna do the Jesus challenge. Hook
right.
Jesus up.
That's right. I thought you should let me
find a
and Heather
bodega
pick you
girl for the bodega boy
man,
contest. We're gonna put it together.
Shit.
Put it together. You see, the gears are going.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, as soon as we wrap,
You could be my date for New Year's
Oh shit, that'll be lit.
at my sister's house.
And my sister's house.
Ain't nobody gonna be there. Shout out to my sister. My sister said I never shout her out. I talk about my nephew. I talk about my other sister. I
Right.
talk about my other sister.
Right.
But I never talk about my older sister. Shout out to you, T-licious.
Shout out.
On Twitter.
That's right.
1 year older, Irish twins.
That's right.
That's the homie. You know her. She looks Mero. She looks exactly like me.
I was gonna say that. I was like, is it weird to say this? They look exactly the same. Exactly the same. Like I don't look like my sister at all. You know what I'm saying? Like my sister looks like my dad. I look like my mom. it's cool. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? Because me and my sister are also Irish twins. Shout out to her.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But some niggas look exactly the same, dog.
Yeah,
If
somebody
you
was like-
slap a beard on her or slap a weave on you, vice versa.
All right, neither one of those happened.
No,
but
it's
yeah, no, some guy like commented on the phone was like, "Y'all fuck the shit out of her." I'm like, okay, first of all,
Whoa, okay.
First of all,
wow.
First of all, no, you won't.
No.
No, you won't.
What?
Please, I don't need that visual.
No.
So like, she does look like me, so now I feel some kind of way about that.
But, you know what I'm saying? Niggas grow up watching your sister and like kind of looking over her and shit. You don't want dudes being like, I'm gonna fuck your sister.
Yeah.
No.
But for the record,
Yeah.
and I'm about to throw my sister to the wolves. She has her own car. She has a great job.
Oh.
She's got her own apartment.
Oh.
She just got her kitchen redone.
Oh.
And she's single, guys.
Oh. I'm ready to mingle.
So go on the gram, find my sister, and shoot that purple emoji.
You know what I'm
all
saying?
right? She's gonna hate that I did that, but listen,
Fuck it.
I'm tired of the New Year's party being whack.
go back like 180 weeks.
Yeah.
And throw the eyeballs emojis under one of her pictures.
There you go.
You know what I'm saying? Creep her out.
Creep out. You're creepy. Women like when you're creepy.
That's right.
Women love a creepy guy.
You do what you want when you're creepy.
There you go. When a woman is walking down the street late at night and you're walking behind her, she's like,
This is good. Oh no. Oh my God. That's so mean. That's the meanest shit ever because they'll be terrified. And you'll be fucking around and they'll be terrified.
you're gonna get that pepper spray in your face.
You can't do that in the Bronx. You might get your face cut.
You gonna get your face. She's gonna turn around like, what the fuck is wrong
the
with
fuck
you?
is this
Who
nigga?
the fuck is? Just take out the box cutter. Like, yo, you for real, my nigga?
She'll extend that shit all the way. Like,
Like, yo, she's like, what? This nigga out here making sound effects like the dude from Police Academy.
beautiful.
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 See that's content.
Well,
we brought
listen.
it
Oh,
full
man.
circle.
That's professional comedy for you
You're
fucking
not getting
amateurs.
that. You're not getting that on
know
other
what I'm saying?
podcasts.
You know what
Okay,
I'm saying?
that's why this podcast is inconsistent.
That's right.
Because it takes so much out of us.
Guess what? There's only one All-Star game a year.
Oh,
Nickel.
can we do the drop? Woo! Listen.
Oh,
This
man.
is just great content.
It's great. It's
Episode
great.
9,
That's
BB.
Episode 9. We out here, BB.
BB.
The-
You know what I'm saying? Bareback Boys.
Bareback
Wow.
Whoa!
BB. That's gonna be the merch.
Oh my God.
Quadruple
It's
B's.
gonna be all over Chelsea. Yo, shout out to the gay listeners, man. Like the bear, can that be a thing? Can we have like Beyonce got like the Bayhive and shit? We can have like you got the Disciples, you got the Mero's mommies.
I thought it was Mero's mermaids.
Mero's
How come it's
mermaids.
Mero's mommies now?
Listen, because I want to be inclusive, and not
Okay.
all races can swim. You know what I'm
All
saying?
right,
So
all right.
like
That's racist, but all right.
it's wild racist.
So are you
know what I'm
trying to
saying?
create like a little Bodega Boys Bayhive for gay people?
For
the
you know what I'm saying?
LBGT?
For the LBGT community. You know what I'm
All right.
saying? I want them to feel inclusive, but also like have a distinction. You know what I'm saying? Because you want to make people feel special. You know
I
what I'm
see. I don't want to be like Charlamagne, be like, yo, the Bodega Boys bottoms.
The Bodega Boys
See,
bottoms.
that's not cool.
That's not cool
Not
at all.
cool. But no, shout out to all listeners. I
yeah.
don't know. We come out with something. The
Yeah,
Bodega
we can do something,
Boy.
y'all.
The Bodega Boy Boys?
The Bodega Boys?
The Bodega Boy. It's the Bodega Boys, but spell boys with a Z.
With a Z.
I don't know.
And an I.
Yeah. Just,
Pow,
ima-
pow. There you go.
just imagine we all two-step in
That's right.
to some house music
Boom,
at
boom,
Splash.
boom, boom.
Okay?
Boom, 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 boom. No, I'm honey. Yo, that song came out. Shout out to my girl Jasmine because she used to play mad Crystal Waters. People think like, yo, Mero must have been mad heavy in the gay clubs. My girl Jasmine, for some reason, is obsessed with all this music. And
Yeah.
I would go to her crib and to smoke weed because she would always be like, you know, when you're a teenager, like the person with the free crib is like, yo, you're there. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to Jasmine. She always had the free crib. Her pops was crazy. He had a crossbar on the wall. But we used to go there and smoke weed all the time. And she used to literally, when I'm there getting high, I want to listen to Mobb Deep and shit. She's like, I'm horny, doing bong rips.
Man. But you know what? That's a good, not
Classic.
even a segue, but
Yeah.
that song, Pasha is closing.
Oh,
Pasha,
shit. That's
a
right.
New York City institution.
That's right.
For putting Molly in your butt and two-stepping with shirtless Guidos from Jersey to
That's right.
Boris,
Yep.
and you're just rolling, and it's fucking Sunday morning, and it's like 11 a.m., people going to church, and you were in a dark club, and you reach for your water bottle, which should be full of Polar Spring, and it's full of Grey Goose. It's lit.
It's lit.
Shout out to everyone that got a Pasha. I have so many Pasha stories. Shout out to my man Black Pat, who
Oh,
almost
man.
threw a Russian over the barricade
Oh, God.
on the second floor, and I had to be like, could you chill?
Yeah, because niggas always either want to fight you or they want to chill with you,
Yeah.
like the Guido dudes
Yeah.
and the Russian dudes.
Yeah.
Either that or they'll be like, at the end of the night, be like, yo, cuz, you want to go to diner? We go to diner. I know great one on Brighton Beach diner. Yeah, it's lit.
Hey, my guy, you got a, you got a,
Hey,
hey, you got a, Yeah, you got ski lift tickets.
You know what I'm saying, bro? You got a couple packages there. You know what I'm saying? Do a little bing bing.
You got any Christina Aguilera tickets? Wink, wink, nudge, nudge.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I got hella Pasha stories.
Woo.
My favorite Pasha story, we went there after when I used to work in a nightclub, and my man was like, yo, let's go to Pasha afterwards. It's like 6 a.m. We go there with some strippers. Not the classy strippers that you want to see.
Okay.
Maybe like the B team. Tuesday morning strippers.
Yikes.
They're not hot.
Scars.
You know how you could tell they were not hot? 4 of them fit in the back of a Toyota.
Oh, okay.
So, like a Corolla.
Yeah.
So we get into the club.
Those bitches do not get in the car more than two to a backseat.
They don't.
No.
So we're in there, we like boofed mad t-shirts because that's the only reason black people are in Pasha. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. And I'm on the couch, and one of the strippers.
Are we standing on the couch?
Nah, I was tired. I was like on the couch, mad wash, and she leans over and she's like rolling on something, and I didn't realize it, and she just leans over and full French kisses me on the mouth.
Whoa!
I do not know this girl.
Okay.
And I'm like, what the fuck? And as she's French kissing me, I feel her slip something into my mouth.
Oh.
She slipped me an E-pill.
Oh, okay.
And because I didn't know, I gagged and swallowed it.
Right.
So now I'm like, and she's like, calm down.
Calm down.
She's like, calm down, rubbing me.
Yeah,
So
okay.
now, like, I did not come to Pasha to do E.
This is how Hostel started.
Yes.
I'm pretty sure.
Now, if you've never been to Pasha, it is one of the freakiest places when you're not high. Like, the music is like crickets and chirping.
Yep.
And then all of a sudden they turn off the lights.
Yep.
And they turn the lights back on, and the whole warehouse is filled with fog.
Yep.
You don't know what's going on.
No.
So now I'm rolling on E. I'm like rubbing my thighs
In
to
a
the
cloud.
point where like skin is coming off of it. I'm just gritting my teeth like Bobby Brown, like rah, rah. She's constantly coming to check on me. And because when you're on E, you're constantly afraid you're gonna dehydrate, but you're also afraid you're gonna drink too much water and like drown your brain. So the whole time I'm like, make sure I drink. Make sure I drink. Make sure I don't drink too much. And now I got like this stripper taking care of me, and she doesn't care. She's like grinding on niggas, kissing other niggas. So I'm like, I'm like, not only did she give me E, now I got herp. So then I was just like, fuck it, I can't stay. And I stumbled out of there. It was like 12 o'clock. That when you open the door and that light hits you and you're like doing scumbag things.
That light is like God reminding you that you're a piece of
like,
shit.
Yes.
Yeah, like, yo, you're garbage.
People are like walking their kids with strollers.
Yeah, you're garbage. You're trash.
Man.
You just spent $1,000 on cocaine last night. You're garbage.
I drove
talked
home.
about a clothing line that you are never going to start.
I drove
for 6
home
hours.
at 20 miles an hour with my hazards on. Just a mess. Just a mess. And that's just one of my Pasha stories. I
Shout out to Pasha.
don't know what happened to that girl.
Who knows?
But thanks for the free e-pill.
yeah,
Shout
shout out to you.
Cool.
Those
Shout
shit's like
to you.
$20 a pop back in the day.
Back in the day.
Yeah.
Remember when hip hop was like fucking with E?
Yeah, Ja Rule. Shout out to Ja Rule.
Ja Rule.
That's his contribution to the culture. Having niggas fucking with E heavy.
Oh man, had niggas trying to like fuck off of E.
Yo, shout out to anybody that ever tried to smash on E and was unsuccessful.
Yeah. Because remember, like people was like, "Yo, you could go for the thing about fucking on E. You could either go for hours
or you push and
ain't
roll.
you ain't getting up at all."
Yep.
And it was 50-50.
Shout out to you if you ever had to grab your dick to try to fake fuck.
Shout out to you if you ever had to crack jokes to keep
stand-up
up.
side of shit.
Hey, so I just flew in and boy, am I arms tired. She's like, yo, are we gonna fuck or not? Like the sun is coming up.
Nah, he's like, yo,
So
I gotta open up for my dick.
What about ISIS? Hey,
Hey, we got this nice guy coming to Skage. He has a foreskin.
Nice. Hey. Yeah, women don't understand how like not getting your dick up.
Yeah.
Oh man,
wild embarrassing.
That's so embarrassing.
embarrassing.
And they're always like, it's okay. It's not okay.
It's not
There's
okay.
literally one thing we have to do as guys during sex. It's get your dick
Get a
up.
boner.
That's it. That's it. But because women have never had to get a boner, they don't understand. So they do mad constant and shit. They rub you on your shoulder. It's all right.
that
We could
makes it
just-
worse.
We could just cuddle.
That's preventing
That's
a
it.
boner
And
from
then,
happening.
you're like, yo, this never happened before. Like, I don't know what happened. You're too sexy. I don't know what's
You're
going
too
on.
sexy.
You gotta say something. You gotta say something.
I'm nervous.
I'm nervous, yo. Because
You
I
make
want
me so nervous.
I want this to count. I am a terrible person. My God, just can't get it up.
I knew I was feeling myself too much when I didn't care anymore.
Yeah.
If I smash it, I'm like, oh, yo, that shit was trash. Oh well.
Listen, Listen though, there was a chick and I could not get it up, and I was like, yo, I'm out. Fuck this. It's your fault. But I was like, and you're just like, yo, just suck on it or something. Just kiss it.
Just kiss it.
Do something.
That's the high
Now
school form.
she got the wild flaccid dick in her mouth, like doing nothing, just pushing it around like an airhead.
Yeah.
I'm like, yo, do something. Now you under pressure because you can't get it up. She feels bad because she's like, am I not sexy enough? Either that or is this guy a fanook? And now no one is getting the sex.
No one's getting the sex.
And now it's just awkward. And then after that happens, every time you have sex afterwards, you're like, yo, it's gonna happen again.
You think it is.
You think it is.
But what you
then
got to do is you got to come back and blow it up.
You got to blow it. You got to
and
get the
then disappear.
Bodega Big pills.
That's right. You got to get the
You
Bodega.
got to blow that pussy out.
That horny goat weed.
Leave that shit deflate like an airbag.
Got the Lamar Odom shit. You know what I'm saying? Shit that'll fucking have you brain matter coming out your nose.
Beat that shit up until the house smells like someone's cooking a Whopper. just a smell of burning meat. Yo, you know that? You ever be beating it up and the girl looks at you like, yo, are you done?
Yeah.
That look like nigga.
No,
like this hurts now.
No, when they start saying shit, like if you fucking with a girl, she doesn't usually say pornographic shit, and she starts saying pornographic shit. Come for me, daddy.
No, when she's like, yo, come inside me.
I want you to come.
And you're like, yo, we're not. Way. And she's like, yo, just finish, nigga. Like I gotta go to work in an hour. Like, what are you doing? You know the worst? When she thinks you finished and you just get like a cup of water or some Gatorade, like, yo, that was halftime. Janet Jackson's about to perform.
Shout out to all the pull the titty out.
I'm about to beat it up.
Yo. Shout out to all the wash chicks though that are cool with like a round and a half. Like, yo, I'm like, good. Like they're good. They're like, yo, I'm good.
The
like,
best shit to do is like lie to your girl, be like, yo, I'm mad tired. I'm just go street. You're like, I don't got it in me, ma.
Yeah.
And she'd be like, all right, cool. And then you just fucking flambe that pussy. Beat that shit up. But the problem is, the next time you're like, yo, I'm tired, she gonna be like, oh, this thing gonna tear it up.
Oh, he's gonna tear it up.
Like, no, I'm actually really tired.
Yeah,
I had a long day. I had like 3 meetings today at work. Like, what am I doing here? I have to be up at 9.
I think I recorded 1 podcast and I had 2.5 meetings.
I had sex on a Tuesday night. What's wrong with you? You whore.
You know what's not going up on a Tuesday? My dick.
All right. Yeah, suck on it.
Shout out to all you young niggas that tell bitches kiss it.
Kiss it.
Kiss it.
Just kiss it. Kiss it. Listen, you young guys, enjoy your dicks. All right, do everything you can do with it. 'Cause when you get older, listen, beat a chick in the head with it. You know, do that shit.
All the stupid shit you see in the porno movies.
Do that. Put your nuts on her nose. Do all that dumb shit. Because when you get older, you can't really, you could do it, but it's just like women are a little more discriminating.
Also, all the women are not with the shits. They're
not with the shits at all.
Like, fam, you're not putting your nuts on my eyes. That does nothing for either you or me. You're just trying to be funny.
A 20-year-old girl will let you put your nutsack on her nose and like put it on Instagram. Like, aha, that's funny. 30-year-old woman? Nah, she's calling the cops.
Yeah.
She's calling the cops. She's like, fuck this.
Are you stupid?
That's sexual assault, nigga.
Are you fucking stupid?
Why are your nuts on my nose?
I told you delete that shit.
Musky nuts, nigga.
Musky nuts.
You musky nuts. And she'll go on Twitter like, these are his fucking musky nuts.
Musky nuts?
You want a Jezebel article written about you? Woo. What happened to this guy, James Dean?
Oh, shit. Yeah.
The Pinot guy?
Yeah.
But you know what? I don't know who he is because I'm going to admit I'm racist. I do not watch white porn.
I mean, either.
I can't. I could watch interracial porn. I can't watch straight up white porn.
Yeah.
I don't know who this guy is.
Yeah.
Who is he?
He's like a Pinot dude. He's a Pinot dude who is what he's like the one. You know how there's like Pinot people who are like, you know, this you worked in the Pinot industry.
Yeah.
There's like Pinot people who are like, yo, I do strictly Pinot, and there's Pinot people who are like, yo, I may or may not break out into the mainstream. Might fuck around and do a indie film, and then like, you know what I'm saying, blah blah blah. He's one of those dudes.
This is him. He doesn't even look like a fucking.
That's his whole thing.
That's his whole thing.
Yeah, it's his whole thing.
He's saying like he was having the wild rough sex?
Yeah. So then, like, his whole thing is like, yo, I had rough sex, you know what I'm saying? Right. And then Shorty was like, said I raped her. But, fam, if you're a Pinot dude, like, don't you know about like safe words and shit like that? And like, you know what I'm saying? Safe word. That's what I'm saying. If you don't respect the safe word, then
you're in the wrong industry.
You're in the wrong industry.
That's like your coach tell you run the ISO play and you pass it. Like,
yeah.
Listen, there's certain things you gotta do. You got Come on. If you of all people, if you're a Pinot dude, you know safe word. You know what I'm saying? Okay.
So you a rapist, my guy. Sit over there with Bill.
Damn. See, I thought he was doing rough porn. I didn't know he was like doing it afterwards.
Yeah,
I thought he was on his nacho.
No, he was at the afties.
What was that girl? Nacho. The one that be like stepping on their heads and fucking putting their heads in the toilet.
Oh, Nacho, my son, Nacho.
Vilda?
Fuck.
Yeah, you guys know who we're talking about.
Yeah. The fucking the Euro niggas.
At one point, I think that's another 20-year-old thing. Like, if you want to like step on a girl's head from behind while you're beating it up, you only getting away with that in the 20s.
Oh yeah,
you are not doing that to a 40-year-old woman.
Yo, you're not doing that to any 40-year-old woman. You are not doing that to a woman over 30
and
a degree. No,
you are not going to put a Timberland boot on the back of a head of a woman with a master's degree. It is not going down. I don't care how freaky she is. All right, she will call the cops, and you will leave in her bedroom in handcuffs.
Yeah, you crazy? All right. She'll be like, matter of fact, I
feel like most 30-year-old women will not let you wear Timberlands in bed while you're fucking them.
Take those fucking boots. You look like an idiot.
Where you going? This is not a construction site.
You plowing snow, nigga? Or you plowing this pussy?
That's 1,000 thread count sheet. Where are you going?
Yeah.
Yo, tonight when you beating up, throw on some Timbs.
Throw on some Timbs. And get kicked out the bedroom.
Get kicked out the bed. Like the Bodega Boys sent you. All right? Just throw on. Yo, but they can walk in a room with some Timbs. Like
Yo.
you either gotta like you gotta either make up a safe word, or just be like, yo, I'm out.
I'm out.
I'm out.
I'm not. I didn't sign off on this.
I'm not with the shits. Imagine a guy with like fake Timbs.
Fam, what are you doing? Are you gonna fucking hang a beam or like what's going on?
You could. I mean,
I am gonna hang a beam.
I've worn Timbs during sex, and it's like, it's just a lot of maneuvering.
I wore Timbs during sex, but it wasn't like
On the bed?
Yeah. It's like I pulled my pants down and my pants are also around my
you
ankles.
put your dick through like the boxer hole, that kind of shit.
You know what
that
I mean?
dirty,
I didn't
real
take
quick
everything
shit.
off and then put my Timbs back on.
Listen.
I've seen that in Pino when the dude takes off his clothes and then puts the Timbs back on. Like,
or have like the top, like the white socks, pull them up with the Timbs. You feel very vulnerable.
Are you going
with
on a
just
hike,
naked-
my nigga?
With
Like-
just naked in Timbs. Women like that. Women are like, look at him. You're
at
like
him.
covering your nipples. Like, can we just start?
Can we just go?
Can we just go? I don't feel.
I don't know
light.
why you wanted me to wear a Yankee fitted in Timbs.
It's like, just do it.
I was about to fuck a Bronx nigga. Like what?
Fuck a Bronx nigga. Come in here, nigga. Beat this pussy up. Do the drop. Say it. Say it. It gives me wings. It gives me wings. It gives me wings.
What's the safe word? Flugtag.
Ah. Oh man.
Yeah, shout out to. I was gonna say shout out to him, but not shout out to you.
Shout out to who? Who were you shouting out? The dude, the dude in the Timbs?
Dude and Tim's James Dean.
Listen, text
James
your girl.
Dean, it's slow for you.
Text your girl. Text her Timberlands and chill tonight.
Timberlands and chill.
Let's see what she knows what that means. She'll be like, we're gonna pick out Timberlands. Be like, one of us is.
She's like, oh, I love Timberland's biography book. It's really good. It talks about like,
wow, he talked about the
like
producer.
his producer credits.
Remember when he was drinking that juice?
That's the image of Timberland that I always have in my head. I don't have like HGH Timberland in my head. I have Timberland in the studio drinking a jug of fucking Tampico. You know what I'm saying? Fucking eating a banana.
Playing beats for Jay-Z.
Playing beats for Jay-Z
Yo,
and
get
losing
better
his
than
mind.
that.
You know what I'm
Listen,
saying?
see? That's a guy who has embraced being washed.
Word.
So
Shout out
embrace
to him.
being washed. Embrace the washness.
That was a dope premiere. I went to that premiere and Farnsworth Bentley went there and acted more famous
What
than
happened to
everybody.
Farnsworth Bentley?
Exactly.
Damn.
He walked over there with somebody else holding his umbrella. I'm like, nigga, Jay-Z walked in here and said hi to people.
That'll keep you humble.
Yeah.
All right? Because remember, you're only popping for like at most 2 years.
That's true.
That's what's keeping us humble.
That's right.
We had 1 year. We got one left. We got 1 year left.
We're approaching this whole shit like an NFL career.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like, NFL career typically lasts a year and a half.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
So basically, what Mero's saying is by December, we're going to be wild concussed and smelling pennies
That's right.
and just screaming for steak and sex.
That's right.
Like a CEO I won't mention of a corporation I work for. So, shout out to my nigga. Shout out to Sumner Redstone.
Shout out to Sumner.
I heard you out here, my dude.
You know what I'm saying?
You are out here.
Big up.
Big up yourself, man. All right? How are you 95? You still oh, man,
out
you
here.
doing numbers.
He's out here doing numbers.
I feel like he's going to get cut, but fuck it. We flying.
Who
We about
cares?
to end it anyway. This guy, he's out. He's 95. They said every day he has sex and eats steak.
Wow. That's real.
They say he doesn't even communicate anymore. Like, he just be screaming. Like, that shit. Like,
Listen. You do what you want when you pop it.
You do. You do what you want when you pop it. I wonder how he wants his steak.
Probably rare.
Yeah.
Probably rare.
I gotta respect that. I gotta respect
Probably
the rare
blended. Probably pureed. Nigga's 112 years old.
steak. To a straw. What kind of shit are you doing? And his doctor was like, yo, stop having sex. Like, your body physically can't handle sex.
That nigga asked this. He never asked his doctor.
He
if his
didn't
heart
ask the
was healthy
doctor.
enough.
Like, the rest of the family was like, yo,
Is his heart healthy enough for sex?
no, it's not. He should not be having sex. They're like, why is he having sex right now while we're having this consultation?
I want to meet the motherfucker that actually, because the dick pill commercials will tell you to ask your doctor if your heart is
Hey,
healthy
hey
enough for sex.
doctor, my wife told me to pick up some Viagra, but
Yeah.
I just want to know if my heart healthy enough for sex.
Yeah.
Well, I got an ice box where my heart used to
Yeah,
be, so does that affect it?
Yeah, I also got some 808s.
Does your
Some
wife send you?
heartbreaks.
Wow, what if your wife is like, yo, honey, I think it's time you go talk to your doctor about Viagra? Like,
I
damn,
feel like
I'm
she
just
would-
go in the car and just drive.
Yeah, I feel like I
might not come back.
Dog, I drive off a cliff.
It's like, fuck it.
I feel like she would never dump me like that. You know what I'm saying? She would sugarcoat
Your kids
it.
come with like a handwritten drawing
Yeah.
of them holding like a blue diamond. Mommy says she wants you to get this, Dad. Dad, what does weak pipe game mean? I heard Mommy talking to Grandma about it.
What? I'm like, what? I'm like, first of all, grandma don't even know about pipe game.
Daddy, Mommy said you're always flaccid. She said you want her to put it in your mouth and move it like an airhead? Bodega Boys, episode 9.
I'm like, I would have made y'all three y'all niggas with a flaccid dick. Think about that.
Think about that, little nigga. Just grab your son and be like, yo, you came from my dick. Shut the fuck up.
I told niggas that shit every day.
That might be child
I need
abuse.
them to understand that.
You know
I'm
what?
like,
You're
yo,
gonna
I
regret
made it.
that.
Yeah.
You're gonna regret that when on show and tell, your kid comes through and be like, yo, this is my father's dick, and I came out of here. So you keep doing that. You keep doing that and be like, children's services is not going to be at your house. Like, why does your son have a drawing of your dick, Mero?
I'd be like, because they try to compromise my condom size.
Got him. It's been episode 9. I don't know what we're going to name this. Embrace the washness?
Embrace the washness. Something. I'm saying.
Either that or something about fucking. Something about beating the pussy up. Episode 9 is Bodega Boys, Young Chipotle in the building.
That's right.
Speaking of Chipotle sent me a free card. I'm trying to pay for the shit.
Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy, the human durag flap, the kid Mero, a.k.a. Papi Shampoo, a.k.a. Moreno.
Hey, yeah, I know the last part of that. Coming to you live, as always, from Red Bull Studios. Shout to Red Bull the plug.
That's right.
Follow them on Instagram, RB Studios NY, on Twitter, RB Studios NY. Follow us on Twitter at Bodega Boys so you can know when this drops. Because I'm sure you're going to be in our mentions or angry.
Oh, where's the
podcast? Where's the podcast on the time? Where's the podcast? Shut the fuck up.
Well, I'm going to run up with Red Bull Studios, beloved.
Guess what? This podcast is like an erection.
That's right.
Y'all got to work to get it up.
That's right.
I don't know what that means.
Fuck it, nigga, but we're going to go with that.
We're going to go with that.
You know what I'm saying?
Holla.
Yeah.